Hey everybody, it's Michael again from CloudApp. So the big focus this week for the issue of the drop is the announcement we put out last week of our new iPhone app. So CloudApp is now available for iPhone, which means you can do a lot of the similar things on a mobile device, on an iPhone as of right now, as you can with your desktop app. So this includes uploading drops, like pictures and screenshots that you take with your phone. You can record your screen using CloudApp for the iPhone. And then, a lot of the more administrative stuff like creating collections, categorizing favorites, and so forth. So this will really help. It's been a big ask from a lot of folks, so we finally delivered on it and have had a lot of good feedback so far. So I hope you'll enjoy it. We've also put together when it comes to business processes, it seems that everybody's got an idea to fulfill it using a Google Sheet. Like spreadsheets get used all the time for process, tracking, and so forth, project management. So we put together a bunch of hacks to make the use of Google Sheets easier. That'll include things like short keys, how to directly import data in a really quick manner, and other tips. And we think you'll find it really useful and allow you to get the work done with the projects that you've got managing within your sheets. And then there's one more resource as far as the iOS app. We put a blog post out on it so you can learn more about what's included with the app there. And there's some additional walkthroughs and videos and stuff that you can use to see how to use it, since intuitively on a mobile device it's a little different than what you do on desktop. So we hope these will, again, increase the productivity of your efforts and work that you do in your workflow each day. And we'll see you next time. Take care.